Welcome. In this quick tutorial we are going to show you that how to repost on TikTok. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything or making mistakes. How to repost on TikTok? Click on the TikTok app and select any of the video which you wanted to be reposted on your TikTok account. Select that video. You can see here option in yellow mark, there is repost. Click on this repost, then this video will be reposted on your account. Thank you so much. That was the short procedure that how you repost on TikTok. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.